This butter cookie recipe is super easy. We use 1 bowl, 4 ingredients and make tender, light, buttery cookies with crispy edges and melt-in-mouth texture. We don't need a mixer, no eggs, no baking powder, and once baked, these cookies are perfect just as they are, or you can make them even more festive by drizzling or dipping them in melted chocolate, making them ideal for holiday platters or for gifting. So in this video, let's see how easy it is to make these butter cookies that everyone will love. Into this bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of softened butter, around half a cup of powdered sugar. When we sift and add the ingredients, we can make sure there will not be any lumps in our cookie dough. Now whisk for 1 to 2 minutes until we get a smooth and homogeneous cream. It's easier to whisk if our butter is very soft. If it's not, just wait for a few minutes and then whisk. Now I'm adding 2 cups of plain flour, mix and combine everything together. The dough will be dry and crumbly in the beginning, but it will all come together. At this point, it will be a tight dough. To loosen it and to make it to a piping consistency, gradually add 2 teaspoons of milk, adding 1 teaspoon at a time. Our cookie dough is now ready, and it took only less than 5 minutes to make this simple cookie dough. Now take a piping bag and fit a piping tip of your choice. Here I've used this large open star tip. And then fill the piping bag with the cookie dough. And before piping, apply a dab of cookie dough on all 4 corners of the baking tray so that the baking paper will stick to it and will make the piping easier. Now pipe cookies into swirls or strips, and if in case you find any cookie doesn't turn out the way you like, you can simply wipe it off and pipe it again. So there is no waste. Relax, have fun and be creative while shaping your cookies. I would like to make some flour cookies as well. I'm using another baking tray because cookies that are bigger in size need more baking time than small size cookies. So if we bake them on the same baking tray, the smaller cookies will get over browned. We piped all our cookies and now keep the baking tray in fridge for 15 minutes or until the shaped cookies are firm, and this will prevent the cookies from melting too quickly in the oven, and this will help them to hold their beautiful shape while baking. And cookies don't taste the same even if they are underbaked or overbaked. So for even baking and to get delicious crispy buttery cookies with light and airy texture, we need to bake them at a lower temperature. So bake at 165 C or 325 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 18 to 25 minutes. The small flour cookies will get baked in about 18 minutes, and the large cookies will take 25 minutes to get baked properly. And you can see they are beautifully baked evenly. When the cookies are just out of the oven, they are soft and brittle. So let them sit in the tray itself for about 5 minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack. To dip these cookies in melted chocolate, melt around 1 cup of chocolate chips in a double boiler method. The melted chocolate will be a little thick for dipping, so to loosen it, we can add any neutral oil. Here I've used a tablespoon of coconut oil. For the flour cookies, I've melted some white chocolate as well. Now sprinkle the top with some chopped pistachios. The cookies look so beautiful. You can see these butter cookies have crispy edges. They are light, airy, and incredibly delicious and just melt in your mouth. If you want to make a big batch, you can easily double this recipe. You can try different shapes and decorate it the way you like. They look beautiful on a Christmas platter and make the loveliest holiday gifts for friends and family. And you will love how effortlessly these cookies come together and how quickly they disappear. Hope you found this cookie recipe super easy to make. Hope you will make this at home, and I'm pretty sure everybody will love it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love butter cookies. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.